3200 block of Business 98. Come here.
What I did now?
Huh?
What I did?
This was one of the hardest videos we've made because what you're about to see should never happen. A Springfield, Florida police officer named Ronnie Nelson stopped a man named Solomon Smith, who lives with a developmental disability, as he walked home around midnight. The officer had no warrant, no reasonable suspicion, and no legal basis for the stop. Walking late at night in any neighborhood is not a crime, and the Fourth Amendment requires more than a hunch. Within minutes, Officer Nelson escalated to deploying a taser on an unarmed, compliant man, and then falsified his police report to justify what he had done. Nelson was charged with felony official misconduct and misdemeanor battery, and a second felony charge was added later. Most officers do this job with honor. Cases like this one are why public trust breaks down, and when trust breaks down, every encounter has a higher chance of ending in serious injury or worse. If you want change, the First Amendment guarantees you the right to petition your government for a redress of grievances. File complaints with your local officials. When enough Americans speak up, local government acts.
I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm just walking, going home.
Where's home at?
My place is down the road. I'm not bothering nobody.
Okay. You got any ID on you?
I left my ID at home.
Okay. Well, just give me your name.
Man, why y'all gotta harassing me for?
We're not harassing nobody.
I'm just doing my job. I'm going.
What's your job?
I'm walking down the road, minding my business. I ain't bothering nobody.
Okay. Well,
I'm trying to get home.
It's 12 o'clock at night, and when we see people out that we don't recognize, we get it.
I'm walking by myself. I don't bother nobody.
Okay. Give her your name and your date of birth.
My name is Solomon E. Smith III. I'm not for to be dolled with this stuff. This is works of the devil. That's all it is. I'm not doing nothing, sir.
Okay.
I'm minding my business. I don't bother nobody. I'm quiet. I stick to myself.
Okay.
Mr. Eastman, how do I spell your first name?
S-O-L-O-M-O-N.
S-O-L-O-M-O?
O-N.
I know. Okay.
For no reason. That ain't no probable cause when y'all do stuff like that. They bother me. I can't even go nowhere.
Okay. Well, I don't know who you are.
I got to clean the work.
Okay, I don't know who you are.
I'm just me.
So it's 12 o'clock at night. You're out here walking.
I'm minding my business though.
Okay,
I ain't hurt nobody.
Okay.
Should not be no problem. I'm minding my business. You could not be doing. I'm not doing that to nobody. I ain't hurt nobody. I ain't commit no crime.
I never said you did.
Why are y'all coming at me like that?
Because
I'm not doing that.
It's 12 o'clock at night, and at 12 o'clock at night, most people are at home in bed.
Minding my business. Coming from my friend's house. That's the problem.
Okay.
That's why you can't do me like that.
Whether you believe this or not, okay?
I'm good.
You're in the area that's known for a lot of drug activity and prostitution, okay? All right, so I don't know who you are, so I'm going to get out and I'm going to identify you. And if you're good to go, you're going to be on your way and you can go home and do whatever you want to do.
I'm not for the argue with y'all because it takes two to argue. I got clean work. I'm not for the argue.
Okay.
I got Jesus Christ.
Right.
Jesus Christ will back me up.
Okay, you know that's fine.
Don't do that.
All right.
I don't like people in all.
So, Mr. Smith, why did you tell me your last name was Eastman?
Well, it ain't no crime.
What? He didn't give us the right name? What's his name?
His name is Solomon Smith.
Okay.
My name is Solomon Smith. Yeah, but you ain't asked me all that.
Okay.
You asked me what's my name.
All right, turn around. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Turn around. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm sorry.
Put your hands behind your back.
Ma'am.
Turn around.
Please give me a chance. Please.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around.
I'm trying to go home.
Turn around now.
I'm trying to go home, please.
Get on the ground.
Will you give me a chance?
No.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Man,
I will tase your ass. Turn around now.
why you doing me like that?
Turn around.
I'm not did nothing to you.
Turn around.
Why you doing this to me?
Turn around now.
Why are you doing this to me?
Turn around.
I'm gonna call the people on you.
You call whoever you want. Turn around.
I got people that would do something to you.
Okay, that's
Don't
fine.
hit me.
Turn around.
Don't bother me.
Turn around.
If you work with me, I will tell you the truth.
I'm tired of talking to you.
Listen, please, please give me a chance.
Turn around.
Please give me a chance.
Turn around.
I'm trying to go home. I'm trying to go home. Please. Please.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around. Turn around now.
Baby, will you just give me a chance to talk to you?
Put your hands behind your back.
I ain't saying nothing though.
Turn around.
I'm on the wrist.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, I'm on the wrist. I'll just ask you a question. Yes, I'm on the wrist. Please.
You're going to be. Turn around. Turn around.
Man.
Don't you.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm gonna call my mom.
Get your hands out of your pocket.
I'm call my mama.
Back
Keep
up.
your hands.
I'm calling
Back up.
my mama. Will you please let me call my mama and
No.
identify me?
I will take care of that in a minute.
Please.
Turn around. This is your last chance. Turn around.
I'm trying to do what's right.
Turn around, I said.
I'm trying to do what's right. You can't do me like this.
Turn around.
The victim is a victim. You cannot do me like
Turn around.
Don't put your hands on me. You cannot do me like this. I'm trying to get home.
I said turn around now. You need to stay out of this.
Look.
You need to stay out of this.
No, come here.
Come here. Turn around.
Jody.
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind.
He gonna talk to you.
No, he ain't.
Yeah, he is.
Put your hand.
He's my good.
Turn around.
I'm a good people.
Turn around.
He is my good people. Jody, come here.
No. Turn around. No.
He gonna take me home, please.
No.
Please. You got to work with me.
No, I ain't got to work with you.
Listen, I'm not.
I said turn.
With you.
I said turn around.
Man, y'all don't mess with me.
Hey, don't move now. Stop now.
Man, bust off the pussy, man.
Get on the ground.
You heard my back.
Get on the ground, bro.
Man,
Kill me.
Man,
Get on the ground.
God, please.
There you go.
Jolie, come get me. It hurt, man. It hurt my wrist.
Give me your other hand.
It hurt my wrist.
Give me your other hand.
Please, it hurt
Hold
my
on.
wrist. All right.
Your other arm. Your other arm. Now.
I did.
Now.
Your other arm. Come on.
All right. Shit. It hurt my feet, man.
Well, you wouldn't be hurting if you stop resisting.
I'm sorry.
Relax. Just relax.
I'm trying to get home, please. I'm trying to get home. Please. Could I talk to y'all then?
Nope, not no more. Time for talking's over with.
Man, please let me talk to you, sir. Can I talk to you, sir? Can I talk to you, sir? Please.
Said
Brother, you had
Springfield.
your chance to talk.
I'm trying to tell y'all the truth, though.
Taser deployed.
I'm trying to tell you the truth, though.
10-15. Blackmail.
Let me get up then. You hurt my feet. You hurt my feet. Let me pull my pants off.
We're gonna pull them up for you.
I'm sorry. Listen, will you please talk to me? Will you please listen, can I talk to you?
Hold still.
Brother, you had the chance to talk.
I'm trying to tell you. I'm sorry, sir.
Why'd you have to go this route?
I'm sorry. Please.
Let's recap what was violated in those few minutes. Number 1, the Fourth Amendment, twice. First, against unreasonable seizure. Under Terry versus Ohio, an officer needs specific, articulable facts of criminal activity to stop someone, not a hunch about late hours or neighborhood reputation. And second, against excessive force. Under Graham versus Connor, the use of force must be objectively reasonable. Tasing an unarmed, non-threatening man over a name-spelling confusion is not. Number 2, the 14th Amendment, due process, implicated when an officer falsifies an official record. Number 3, federal law, Title 18, United States Code, Section 242, makes it a crime for any government official, including a police officer, to willfully deprive a person of rights protected by the Constitution while acting under color of law. Number 4, Florida state law, felony official misconduct and battery. This is exactly why Civic Shield was built, so that every American, when they see a video like this or live one like this, can know which rights apply, which laws were broken, and what the courts have said about them. Go to civicshieldApp.com to learn more about what Civic Shield is and how it can help you understand your rights. Educational purposes only, not legal advice. If this video helped you understand your rights, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support.